Hi, I'm Natasha. I'm a fourth year student at DTU and I got placed at Snapdeal for their software development role. And I would like to thank Placement Board for giving me this opportunity to share my interview experience with you all. As you all know, Snapdeal is India's one of the largest e-commerce market player, and they had an on-campus recruitment drive and they hired me for the role of software development. Since it was a technical role, the procedure started with an online round, wherein the time was 1.5 hours and we were given some 25 questions, where we had 3 coding questions, which were the regular coding questions you can find on Geeks for Geeks, and the rest of them were aptitude questions. There were questions from C++, input-output questions, and questions touching OS and DBMS. It started with an online round, which comprised of some 20 to 23 aptitude questions and had 3 coding questions. And the entire thing had to be done in 1.5 hours, so that was a pretty short duration. So the aptitude questions, they were not the easy ones, they were more on the harder side. So it demanded application of logic and a little bit deeper analytical thinking. And the coding questions, they were the regular questions you can find on Geeks for Geeks. Like, one was you had to check the validity of an expression by balancing the parentheses. And one was that given a specific number with a certain set of digits, you had to tell the next greater number with using the same set of digits. So that's a very familiar question. And there was one more question on the similar note. So these were the coding questions, and questions on the aptitude, we had questions from like the C++ input-output questions as well. There were few questions from OS and DBMS, and that was all for the online round. And in this round, they selected some 15 people based on the top performances. So that was all for the online. After the online round, I had my first technical interview. The interview began with questions on my projects and questions on my resume. So I had to give him a detailed elaboration of the projects I did. And after that, he asked me about my internships. So that part of the interview was very calm. After that, he began with asking questions on data structures. He covered all the areas. He initially asked me what my favorite area was, and then he began with arrays, and then he escalated to trees, strings, linked lists, and questions like those. So the questions were really unheard. This was the best thing about the interview. They were really challenging, and there were different questions, and you had to, that demanded, you know, logical thinking and thinking about algorithms. Then was the final HR interview, and this was just a formality because when I just entered the room, the HR told me that both my interviews went really well, so I was being offered the position of software developer. And he asked me if I had any queries about place of posting or any further about my role in Snapdeal. So this was also really nice, and that was it. My advice to all the juniors: while you're studying your textbooks, keep your concepts really clear and follow the standard books for all your subjects. Also, I read this book, Crack the Coding Interview, and I think that book is really beneficial for your interviews. Also, practice questions from geeksforgeeks.com, and by practice I mean don't just read the questions and think of algorithms. You should actually hardcode those the codes, and you should test them against all the test cases, boundary cases, because this is a very good practice you should have in interviews. And rest, I would say, do your codes well, prepare well, and stay confident throughout the placement process. It'll be worth the wait. For any queries, please comment below. I'll make sure that your queries are answered, and please subscribe to the channel.